This is a pretty common look across the entire region. A lot of cloud cover on the backside of this storm system, and we have that gusty northwest wind continuing to tug some cold air our way. And in fact, we're making our own cold air right here thanks to all the new snow that's on the ground. That cools any air that's blowing over the top of it right now. We're still seeing a few snow showers as well, but at least it's not as bad as the last 3+ days. Here's a look at the radar once again. And again, around the radar sites in Duluth and in Mayville and in Minot and Bismarck, we're seeing snow showers showing up, but they're almost everywhere. Hit and miss, quick dashes or a bout with flakes, I guess we'll call it. And the wind is still pretty persistent out there as well. And the flakes and the wind are continuing to allow things to stay pretty icy out there. So please take it slow. Teens right now, Bemidji down towards Wadena. We have low 20s up north where the snow is a little deeper. We won't get into how deep it is out west, but it's not fun. 24 in Fargo and 30 for Sisseton as we head through your Friday night. The wind is still gusty. Where you see the colors here, gusts over 25 miles per hour persist, and in fact over 30 miles per hour in a few spots. Sisseton still not far from that reading as well. So it's windy, it's cold. Never mind. It's wind chilly. Bundle up. All right, your forecast does show some bright signs. Tonight, the gusty winds continue. Snow showers continue, but overnight, you see that little batch of clearing? The snow shower chances will move off to the east. It stays a little breezy, but these blue arrows here indicate that we'll have winds around 15, maybe 20 miles per hour. Temperatures out to the west where we have the deep snow. That's Minot, that's Bismarck, up into the Devil's Lake Basin, out towards Grand Forks. A few of you could see single-digit actual air temperatures in the morning. And let's face it, the morning hours look pretty chilly. But once we get to the afternoon, the skies will clear from west to east. The wind goes away from west to east, and we enjoy some lovely conditions, even though it will be quite cold. In the deep piles of snow, 20s is the best we're going to manage. But check this out. Here in Fargo, points south in the Southern Valley and parts of Lakes Country have very little snow on the ground. The sun will not take long to burn that off. And when that happens, we'll have temperatures shooting up 35 to 40 degrees here in southeast North Dakota. That's what I'm thinking. Going through the evening hours, the clouds build in as we head to Easter Sunday morning. Easter services out west will be impacted by a band of moderate to heavy snow and gusty winds. Because of the snow on the ground out there, that's going to cool those surface temperatures. Some of this snow could be that light, fluffy, flow around kind of snow that we had with this last round, and enhanced totals because of the amount of precipitation and moisture available to this storm. Timing this out, as we go through the mid-morning hours, it makes its way into the James River Valley, Devil's Lake Basin. We'll just start to see a few flakes here in the Red River Valley. Our best chance of accumulating snow happens in the afternoon and early evening hours. As we head into the evening, it does continue to progress its way off to the east. The track of the low pressure system you can see here is right here is the center of surface low. If it moves a little bit either way, it's going to impact who sees the heaviest snow. That's usually just north of the track of the low. Look at this. Right into Fargo-Moorhead. This is going to bring some difficult travel conditions because it also comes with some significant wind. Here's a look at the snowfall potential. That's right, 6 to 10 inches out west where they got all the snow with the wind, and there will be a chance for some reports of around a foot, 3 to 6 inches plus in the blue areas, and the snow continues into Monday, but through Sunday night, 2 to 4+ inches across much of greater Minnesota. Fargo's planner, 19 to start, but looking good in Fargo. Not nearly this warm for most of you, as we'll have temperatures peaking near 39 degrees in Fargo. It's been a rough one out there, central and western North Dakota, even for portions of here in the valley for our ranchers and producers out there. Mariana, thank you so much for sharing this from Ashley, North Dakota. We're all thinking about you. Here's a look at your quiet day Saturday, not quiet Sunday. We'll keep you posted on that. Check the Valley News Live weather app for the latest on that. Temperatures struggle early in the week, but we do rebound in Fargo. I want to make that clear. In places where we have no snow on the ground, 45 to 55 degrees as we close out the week. We'll be melting snow, significant amounts of it through the week though.
All right, thanks.
Yep.
Later here on Valley News Live at 6, there are more jobs in Minnesota, but who's getting them?